What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J Bone again, here with a follow-up video on the GMW body with the popping noise on the front end. So again, in my previous video, if you watched it, I found the noise to be this brace bar up here was the culprit. And lo and behold, when I went to reinstall it, let me see if I can find it. But if you look at this bolt here, wait for the camera to focus. There it goes. The threads right up top here, where it needs to hold, the body to the brace there, they're just trash. They're all flattened and worn out. There you go. And that's gonna allow just enough extra movement. That's all the movement this thing needs to make an annoying sound. And you're not, you're going to be thinking vital suspension component. You're going to be looking for something worn out, like I did and so many others, before you figure this out. So, just a little FYI. I kind of just, something like this is pretty obvious to see once you get it off the car and everything. But just so you know, I mean, my advice would be to take these off completely. And then drive it around and see if it's making the noise still. And if it's making the noise, hey, you really do got something worn out. Because it does mimic like a worn out ball joint sound or something. And you can actually feel it, the vibration in the steering wheel and everything. So, obviously you can have worn out parts on the front end here, but if it doesn't make the noise anymore, and you know this is the case, take it off completely, because these were actually, it was still in there tight. It was still holding something. I don't know what, but the worn out threads here at the tip definitely was allowing for just that much more play. So if I'd have come out here and just tightened them down, which I did once, I had almost ruled this out as my problem, because I torqued down on them and they felt tight, and it was still making the noise. But it wasn't until I tore them off completely that I didn't hear the noise anymore, and I found the damaged bolt. So I just went to the local hardware store and replace both of these up top there. And I still used the thread sealant on it. It's a little messy. I might clean that up at another time or something. But there you go, folks. I hope that helps you out, because that way maybe I'll save you a little money, save you from growing a few of those extra gray hairs, trying to figure out what the heck is worn out on your front end, and all it is these bolts up top here. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a good one.